My name is Cora, and I will explain all truths about Lean Biome. Many people are making videos regarding this product and spreading false information. I'll tell you everything which you should know about Lean Biome. So I strongly advise you to stay with me and watch this video all the way through. I'm going to give you a very crucial warning that will save you money. So, what exactly is Lean Biome, and how does it work? Lean Biome is a proprietary product that combines 9 clinically tested lean bacteria species with Green Select Fit for the first time in the world. Green tea extract with unique absorption boosting Fit Amazing technology that is next generation and caffeine free. This innovative chemical combination works together to quickly correct the bacterial imbalance in your gut microbiome. Ivy League researchers have finally figured out what causes belly fat and unexplained weight gain. Yes, researchers discovered a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that has been clinically shown to rebalance the gut microbiome and thus help to suppress hunger, dampen cravings, fire up the metabolism, and reduce fat storage, implying that those extra pounds fall off without you even REA. Lean Biome supplement does this better than any form of green tea you can imagine, and Lean Biome is methodically prepared and preserved in state-of-the-art facilities to ensure this. An FDA-inspected, climate-controlled, and GMP-certified facility is located in the United States. The Lean Biome formula is gluten-free, vegan-friendly, and free of nuts, soy crustaceans, and dairy. It also contains no GMOs or BPAs. You're not at danger because the Lean Biome supplement comes with a money-back guarantee. So, definitely, you can put your trust in this product. Many people have had positive experiences with Lean Biome, and you will as well. However, keep in mind that each person's body will react differently. That's a little bit obvious. But I'm telling you this so that your treatment and expectations are realistic. In the description below of this video, I have included a link to the official website. Yes, you can trust this product because many individuals have had positive results with Lean Biome, and you can too. Something extremely important to note is that the Lean Biome comes with a warranty, so you can truly test the product and get a refund if you don't like it. Only a few Lean Biome bottles are still in stock. So, if I were you, I would not pass up this chance. It's also necessary for Lean Biome to function. You must be serious about the treatment. You must take it on a daily basis, 1 capsule with a sip of water, preferably in the morning before breakfast. Otherwise, you won't get good results, and you'll become irritated. The early results can be seen during the first month of utilizing this product. It's also crucial to note that because Lean Biome is natural, it has no negative effects. I sincerely hope you found this video useful. And I also hope that the Lean Biome supplement genuinely helps you in improving your life and reaping the many other advantages that this product offers.